Door squareness is the key to all things. If your door's not square, the doors aren't going to hang right, your kitchen reveals are going to be off, and you can't trust your door manufacturer to get those doors within a tight inset application or very tight reveals. That door squareness is something that we've spent countless hours, months, years fixing and getting it perfect. We make sure doors come out square in a number of ways. One, we make sure we cut the parts as accurately as humanly possible. Two, we machine the parts with extreme fidelity to what you've ordered. And three, once the door is assembled and ready to go, we don't accept it. We still put it on the CNC and still square that door to be perfectly square every single time. Door squareness is not something that you can achieve just by hard work or determination with a tape measure or a sliding table saw. Door squareness is achieved by being consistent every single time. We achieve squareness through technology. We put it on a CNC and use a high-shear bit to go all the way around that door. That ensures we're going to get a perfect square rectangle every single time.